Miss Desabris Class. And this is their story. And it's called Pete and the Runaway Blackbird.
I'm Pete, the evil talking taco. I live on a dark, evil castle on Pluto. My blackbird Joey ran away. Why does he hate me? I don't know. I need a rocket to fly to catch that runaway blackbird. Need a rocket to fly away. My blackbird ran away.
The blackbird flew away from Pete. His reason was pretty good. Pete put him in a cage way too small, so any good blackbird would. He needs a rocket to fly to catch that runaway blackbird. Needs a rocket to fly away. His blackbird ran away.
He stole my rocket making materials. My rocket, my jet, and space shuttle. He put them in a big suitcase. Oh, Joey, I just want to cuddle.
He needs a rocket to fly to catch that runaway blackbird. Needs a rocket to fly away. His blackbird ran away.
And ever since that day, I just could never make that rocket. I don't have the blueprint anymore, and it's just too much work for this one little taco. I'm sad. I'm so sad. So sad. So I'll just float away into space.
He needs a rocket to fly to catch that runaway blackbird. Needs a rocket to fly away. His blackbird ran away. He needs a rocket to fly to catch that runaway blackbird. Needs a rocket to fly away. His blackbird ran away. His blackbird ran away. His blackbird ran away. The end.
Are the